Hi everyone, welcome back to Sing Well. Today's topic is super important for all singers. Whether you are new or experienced, we are going to talk about how to find your natural singing voice. Many people come to me asking, how can I find my own unique sound? That's exactly what we are going to talk today. I will show you some simple ways to discover your real voice, and by the end of this video you will feel better about using your own voice and sharing it with the others. Why is finding your natural singing voice important? Let me explain it. Your natural voice is the one that feels easy and comfortable when you sing. It's your real voice. It's your real and authentic sound, the way you were meant to sing. Think of it like wearing comfortable shoes versus ones that don't fit right. When you sing your natural voice, you will sing better, express your feelings more clearly, and be able to sing longer without getting tired. Plus, you won't have to work so hard trying to sound like someone else. For those who are just starting to sing, there are too many things to think about, and it can be almost impossible to notice if you are mimicking someone or not. If this is your case, pay attention to the following advice. First, try to separate the techniques from the timbre of your favorite singer. It's okay to imitate their style, but try to sound exactly like them can be harmful to your voice. Second, we don't need another singer like that. We already have that person. Third, don't be insecure about how your voice sounds. It's normal to feel embarrassed when you're singing and exposing your voice to others. It's just a phase. Fourth, there is no specific style for your voice. Music is art, and there are no limits to it. If you think your voice is too low to sing gospel, forget it. Maybe you are the first unique voice in that style, and you can always incorporate specific techniques from that genre into your own voice. Okay, let's get practical. How do you actually find your natural singing voice? The first step is exploration. It's time to let go of any expectations and just experiment. Before we dive into this, remember, this is your raw voice. Throughout our lives as singers, we will develop techniques and make adjustments to sing anything we need. It's totally normal to dislike your voice in this beginning. Here are a few exercises that you can try. Exercise 1, the speaking voice test. Start by speaking a few simple sentences. For example, hello, my name is Ícaro, and I love to sing. Notice the pitch and tone of your speaking voice. Now, try to sing those same words at a similar pitch. Your natural singing voice is often close to the pitch where you naturally speak. Exercise 2. Another great way to find your natural voice is by humming. Start humming softly and notice where it feels most comfortable in your voice. Don't push for the high notes or try to be too loud. Just relax and let the sound resonate naturally. The way your voice feels during humming can give you a hint about where your natural vocal range lies. Exercise 3 is sing like you are talking. Take a familiar song and try to sing it as if you are just casually talking. Don't try to add any fancy runs or mimic the original artist. Just keep it simple and true to yourself. The key here is to find what feels effortless. One tip, you can start from the result of the first exercise and connect it to a song. Like this, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Try to do this and tell me the results in the comments. Now, as you explore your voice, it's important to avoid some common pitfalls. One big mistake a lot of singers make is trying too hard to sound like their favorite artist. While it's great to have role models, your voice is unique. It's what makes you, you, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video. Don't force your voice to fit into a mold that doesn't suit you. Another common issue is pushing your voice to high notes that aren't in your range. Instead of straining, focus on what feels natural. Those are the notes where your voice truly shines. Your natural singing voice is not about perfection. It's about authenticity. Embrace the little quirks in your voice. They're what make you stand out. Whether your voice is soft, powerful, raspy, or smooth, There is a place for it in music. The more you lean into your natural sound, the more confident you will become and the more people will connect with your singing. I hope these tips help you to get one step closer to discover and embrace your natural singing voice. Remember, finding your voice is a journey and it takes time, so be patient and enjoy the process. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more singing tips. And let me know in the comments below what's one thing you love about your voice. I can't wait to hear from you. See you in the next one.